Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to look at SoFi Technologies, ticker symbol SOFI. All I see as of late on TikTok and even on Twitter is how SoFi is going to explode. So I want to do a little technical analysis, do a little live analysis on this and show you guys how I'm kind of seeing this. So the first thing I kind of want to do, I see a cup and handle pattern, but first I kind of want to identify the resistance level of that cup and handle pattern. And the way I'm going to kind of draw this in are with these pivot top highs and kind of coming through here with some overthrows. And hopefully you guys see the same thing, but I'm seeing this, a massive, oops, let's fix that real quick. Okay, so we have this here, and we're going to draw that out. So you have your cup, right? And then you have your handle pattern that's being formed. So we have that, a little steep there we go. So cup and handle there. But more importantly, let's kind of look at what it looks like as of late. So the way I see this is a descending broadening wedge, and I'll show you why. So you have these touch points here with these pivot lows, right? You kind of have all of these, you have the kiss, you have this one, you have the overthrow, and then some might draw this as a channel, but I see this a little bit differently, and here's why. So taking that first breakout of that resistance line, I see it more like this, right? So you have this one here, it comes through, breaks out, there we go. So you see this descending broadening wedge. You have the overthrow here, force back in. You have the overthrow here, force back in. Hits the bottom, comes up, hits the bottom, comes up, kisses it, rejects again here, comes up, and then finally pushes through. So as of late, this is kind of how I see the price action is in this kind of descending broadening wedge. And what I see here is we do have increasing buy volume, which is good to see as this is breaking out. You had this bullish consolidation here as well. So you have this breakout that just happened on Friday, right? So you have this kind of look here. So you have something like this, and actually it's more like this. Actually, you just have the bottom overthrow there. So you have this little channel, bullish channel right here, and then you have the breakout. So what I would be looking for, kind of going into tomorrow on Friday, is do we get confirmation of this breakout here? And you can see what that aligns. That orange hyphenated line is the previous week's high, okay? And the red is the previous month's high. And what's interesting about that is you had the breakout, you had this come back in, and then you have another breakout. So what I'd really like to see here, in order for me to get more bullish this name and think it's setting up as it looks to be, is I'm going to want to see a candle close above this high right here. So I'm going to be looking for this, and then if we get that, I think we have a move to obviously this range here with possible breakout as this is improving here, the volume. Also, it's important to note, look at the RSI. So it reset it here at 50, and it's on its way back up. So it's plenty of room to move, and yeah, so I think this one has potential. Just bear in mind there are a lot of overthrows pretty much everywhere, as we talked about. So could this go up, overthrow, come up here, come back down, and consolidate? Absolutely. And based on its price action, that's kind of what I think it's going to do. So I would, again, be looking for that confirmation above this. But most importantly, you're going to want a confirming candle above this. So you're going to want to see something like this, right? So pathing could look like so. Let me grab this and kind of show you. So say we get a move up and say we consolidate. If it does something like this, that would be bullish. But what I would do, I mean, it's such a tight range here. What I'm going to be waiting for is I'm going to be waiting for that breakout, but more importantly is this pullback. And I want to see it pull back there, and that's the buy level, right? It's this break and retest. Break and retest. Break and retest, guys, are probably the most powerful entry point and most profitable entry point there is out there, whether it's on the hour time frame, the 4-hour time frame, the daily time frame, the weekly time frame. It's really whatever you trade, but that break and retest is key, and that's usually my entry point, unless I want to do something super aggressive and get in early and dollar cost average, something like that. But yeah, so this is shaping up pretty nicely. Again, I'm not going to be entering it anytime soon. I'm definitely going to be waiting for this break and retest. So again, I'll just remind everyone, no financial advice will be given on this channel. This is strictly for educational purposes and to show you some of the things that I'm doing in my personal trading strategy, as well as show you some of the tips and technical analysis ideas and ways to kind of look at these charts. So again, this is SoFi. Put it on your watch list. I think it has bullish structure, and I think it can make some moves from here. But again, wait for that break and retest. Again, if you guys liked the analysis here, please subscribe to the channel. Obviously, tick that little bell. You'll get live updates as they come to you, as I publish them. Try to do about 2 or 3 a day. This is a new channel, so you hitting that like button, subscribing, commenting, doing all that good stuff, showing that love really helps the channel. And we'll catch you guys on the next one. Thanks. Bye now.